Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design. This is the Striped Wreath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, for this one you want to use a striped tie, but any kind of work. Any kind of stripe will work. So we're going to put this at the belt line again as usual. We're going to come over here, put our fold in there, bring it over here to the center. We're going to come up and over. We're going to put our wreath here like this. Then we're going to bring my wreath around the top like that. I'm going to do another wreath around like that. Bring it around like so. Wreath right here. We got another wreath right here. We're going to come up and under here like this. Like that. And then we're going to have a wreath go down like so. Actually, yeah. There we have it. Now let me put this under here. So again, you guys know what to do by now. Follow me on SimmonsEssentials, at SimmonsEssentials on Instagram. And then when you wear these knots, let me know. I like to see them on Instagram. So tag me in them. So there you have it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made. Put that in the best. See you in the next video.